As you can see on my screen is 28.28552 USDT. So recently I made a video about this update, how I made a live withdrawal on it. If you want to see my live withdrawal from it, you can check the video in the description below. So I recently made a video about this, and today I want to show you guys how to earn up to 200 USDT from the same update that I shared about this. You understand? How to earn up to 200 USDT from the same update that I earned this 28 USD. So what you're gonna do for me now is to give this video a like for the first time. If you love making money online and you like what you're seeing, now I want you to calmly watch this video to the end. You're not watching it for me, because once you have clicked on the video, you have done what I needed. All I need for you is just to watch this video to the end for your own good, so that by end of this month, when I ask you guys how much you have earned from my updates, you can be proud to tell me how much you have earned. So if you are good with me, let's dive in. Yeah, so the updates we're talking about, the platform we're talking about is World OTC, World Over the Counter. If you want to see my live withdrawal from it, I say that you should check the description below. You will see my live withdrawal video, how I made a live withdrawal, how I made this sumo. As you can see, I'm now currently having 62.0 USDT, 62 USDT, and I made in the video in the description. You will see how my 20 USDT earned me up to 10 USDT within a week, and now it's not having been up to a week, and my 50 USDT have earned me over 12 USDT from this platform, and by the end of this month today I will earn more than this. So this is not even the main part, another main part. So other one is, let me show you guys how the platform works, how to earn so much from it, just like I'm earning. So if you click on this place that says transaction on now, it's gonna load you up a bit. All your balance in the platform is gonna load up like this. So all you need to do is to click on this place that say all, because I normally click on all. Minimum trade is around $10. So all I need to do is to click on all this, or then you click on start filtering. If you want to see the full video on how to use it, the video is in the description. So but today's video, I just want to show you guys how to earn up to $200 with it monthly. So you have to watch this video very well. So if I click on this place that says start trading, it's gonna AI mining, the AI machine is gonna shake well. I'll see the amount that I'm gonna earn. As you can see now, by in 3 hours time, my balance will update from $62.06 to $62.30. So if I click on this way I say confirm, now I've done the trade. As you can see, I've done the trade. As you can see now, I've done the trade. So my next trade is gonna be in next 3 hours. So I will just go back there and change my, as you can see, I missed this alarm. So I will just change my alarm to 3 hours coming, 2 3 4. So in 4:49 a.m. my alarm is gonna beep for me. Want to know how to earn from the daily 3 hours game? Share the video in the description also. So apart from that, now let's go to the main deal of the day. The main deal, which is how to earn up to $200 in it. It's very simple. It's very simple. So let me click on this. If you click on this place, say mine, now you can see this is my personal information. If you want to know how to set up your account, it's very simple. Just go over to this place, sign up. Minimum deposit is 10 USDT. Your 10 USDT within a week, your 10 USDT is gonna gain up to another 10 USDT for you. If you want to see my live withdrawal, it's always in that video in the description. So now the main deal about today's update is how to earn up to 200 USDT from it. As you can see, you don't need to, on your only deposit you need to do is the minimum of 10 USDT. you need that 10 USDT to earn up to 200 USDT from this update. And let me show you guys how to earn it. If you click on this place now that say team income, team income, you can see that I have been earning a little satoshi of USDT from this, but this is not the main thing. So if you click on this place now, let's click on this place that say my team. Now as you can see, currently I'm having 41 people, 41 referrals from my team now, but the only total recharge is only one person. The person to recharge and 24 USDT, and since he recharged, I've been earning something. First of all, let me show you guys. If you invite someone, if you want, use my video, show them my video, my previous video, the link or the video that is in the description below. If you want, just show them this my video. This is how you're gonna make so much money from this thing. Now this trading platform is very legit. It's yield income for people. It's not a scam token, it's not a scam, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's where you have to put in your work. Even though the work is not stressful, still you're gonna put in. So what you're gonna do, go out there, look for people to refer, but you need to recharge your account with 10 USDT so that you will open the referral bonus, you open your withdrawal button, because you cannot withdraw without investment. That means your account is just there to refer and earn without contributing to the platform. So yeah, if you want to earn from this, you have to deposit minimum of 10 USDT. First of all, you are going to be earning from your personal project, your personal trading. Every 3 hours, just set up your alarm every 3 hours and trade. Secondly, now if you invite 10 people, you're gonna gain 10 USDT. Not only you are gonna get 10 USDT, you are gonna get 15% of their investment. First of all, you're gonna get 15% of whatever they invested. 15% is gonna go back to your account direct. Secondly, you're gonna earn after the 15%, you're gonna earn once you invite up to 10 people, the 10 USDT is gonna reflect here, and you will click on this place that say receive. You will receive it to your wallet instantly. That goes to if you invite up to 20 people. And don't sleep on this, because even without making this video now, I will go and invite a lot of people to the platform. I will go and look for people. I will go to Facebook. I will go to everywhere to make sure I have audience that are interested in cryptocurrency. I will show them this. I will show them my video. I will show them my withdrawal proof. So if you want to show them their video, you can copy out the link of that my video in the description to show them how I was able to make so much money from this. I will, if you invite up to 100 people, you're gonna gain 100 USDT from them without your own investment. All you need to do is just invite people. If you can even create advert for it, you can use even up to $5, create adverts on Facebook, and we'll do something that will gain you referrals, so that once they are referred, they sign up and recharge that 10 USDT, your own 10 USDT. It's like refer one person and get 1 USDT. You understand? So that is how it goes. And another part of it is that anytime that they trade, you will get some amount from their trading fee, their trading gain. As you can see now, this I only refer one person which recharge 24 USDT from this. So now once the person trade, there is amounts of money that is gonna be coming to my account. As you can see, if I click on this place now that I say receive, you see that I have received it successfully. As you can see now, the total income I've earned from this guy now is 30 cents. Are you seeing what I'm seeing now? The total income I've earned from him is 30 cents. So till that cannot come, whenever he makes trade, I'm gonna earn from his trading. Do you see how the thing works? So don't joke on this. And their withdrawal is very instant. The only thing is that the reason I don't want to make a live withdrawal in this thing now is to show you is that I don't want it in a place that I will withdraw, because withdrawal will take you 3% of whatever you are having. So me having 16%, 60 USDT here. If you want to withdraw, they are gonna take up to more than 1.5 USDT from me, which I don't really need. You understand? I don't want to withdraw it. I want to wait till 1 month so that I will make sure that my capital have enough. I have gotten my capital enough. So and apart from that, I want to earn so much. I want to use my video. I want to use my balance to show people how the platform works, this and that. So don't joke on this. Go and get your 10 USDT. Go, I repeat, go and get your 10 USDT. Once you get your 10 USDT, just go over to this platform, sign up, do your KYC. It's very simple to do your KYC, to do your verification, personal verification. As you can see, I'm verified. Identity authentication, I'm fucking verified. I'm verified. So you need Google on the Authenticator app also. So if you have any issue not signing up on this platform, go to the description of my channel. You will see my WhatsApp link. Go to my WhatsApp link, chat me up on WhatsApp, and I will lead you through. There is also a WhatsApp group in the description where I will lead you through on anything that you have, any problem that you are facing doing these updates or using this platform. Feel free to join the WhatsApp group, chat me up, and I will reply you and I will lead you through. So without saying much, I think this is the end of this video. Guys. Don't joke on this update. Go to YouTube, browse about World OTC. You see how people are making so much money from World OTC. So don't joke on this, so that by end of this month, if I ask you guys what have you earned from my updates, you will be proud to tell me that you earn 200 up to 200 USDT or below or whatever from this update, from my update. So without saying much, guys, I think this is the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so that you get notified whenever I drop any good update. As for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.